Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default PDF viewer in Windows 11. Whether you are not a fan of Microsoft Edge as your default PDF reader or you just prefer using another application, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. First step is to click on the Start menu icon and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps on the left sidebar. Now click on Default Apps. Now under Set a default for a file type or link type, type .pdf in this search bar and hit enter. So this is the current default PDF viewer, which is Microsoft Edge. To change it, click on it. Now select app from the list. We are going to select Adobe Acrobat Reader. So double click on it to confirm your choice. So that's it, you have successfully changed your default PDF viewer. Changing your default PDF viewer in Windows 11 is that simple. Thanks for watching.